Good morning students. In previous class what we learned about the some of the properties of sound. Okay, in this class we shall learn about audible and inaudible sound. Okay, what is the meaning of audible sound and what is the frequency range of audible sound, and then what is the meaning of inaudible sound and what is the frequency range of inaudible sound, we have to discuss in this class. Okay, at first audible sound. Okay, audible sound, what is the meaning of audible sound? Okay, let's see. The human ear can detect the sound with a wide range of frequency, that is 20 hertz. Okay, humans can able to hear the sound frequency that is 20 hertz to the 20,000 hertz. Okay, 20,000 hertz. Here hertz means the frequency measured in terms of hertz. Okay, the human ear can detect the sound with a wide range of frequency from 20 hertz to the 20,000 hertz. If the frequency of a sound between 20 hertz to the 20,000 hertz is called a audible sound. Okay, this is the range of the audible sound. Okay, the sound frequency between 20 hertz to the 20,000 hertz is called the audible sound, or the humans can able to hear the sound. We can able to hear the sound. That sound is called audible sound. Okay, next inaudible sound. Okay, inaudible sound means inaudible sound. Okay, we cannot hear the sound. Okay, we cannot able to hear the sound. That sound frequency is called the inaudible sound, which means it means less than 20 hertz. Okay, less than 20 hertz, and then more than 20,000 hertz. Okay, it is more than 20,000 hertz. This is the range of inaudible sound. Okay, the meaning of the audible sound is the frequency of a sound falls in this range. Okay, more than 20 hertz and below the 20,000 hertz. This range is called audible sound, or we can able to hear the sound. That sound is called a audible sound. Okay, here inaudible sound. Okay, inaudible sound. Inaudible sound means we cannot hear the sound. Okay, we cannot able to hear the sound. So it means below the 20 hertz and the sound frequency above the 20,000 hertz. Okay, this frequency is said to be inaudible. Okay, if suppose any sound with a frequency below the audible range of hearing, that means less than 20,000 is known as infrasound. Okay, next is infrasound. Infrasound, what is the meaning of infrasound? Any sound. Okay, infrasound means any sound with a frequency below the audible range. Okay, any sound of frequency, any sound of frequency is below. Okay, frequency is below the audible range. Audible range of hearing. Okay, audible range of hearing is known as infrasound. Okay, what is the meaning of infrasound? Any sound of frequency is below the audible range, which means below the audible, the range of the audible sound is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Below the audible range means less than. Okay, which means less than 20 hertz. Okay, less than 20 hertz. This sound frequency is known as infrasound. Okay, infrasound. If suppose the any sound of a frequency is above the audible range. Okay, above the audible range, which means the audible range is up to 20,000 hertz in humans. Okay, the above the 20,000 hertz, then we call it as that sound frequency is ultrasound. Okay, what we call ultrasound. Okay, ultrasound. The any sound of frequency. What is the meaning of the ultrasound? Any sound of frequency, any sound of frequency is above the audible range. Okay, is above the audible range of hearing. Okay, above the audible range of hearing, that is more than, it means more than 20,000. Okay, more than 20,000 hertz. This sound range, this frequency is now called it as a ultrasound. Okay, infrasound. What is the meaning of infrasound? Any sound of frequency is below the audible range of hearing is known as infrasound. And ultrasound means any sound of frequency is above the audible range. Okay, we call it as a ultrasound. Okay, in humans, okay, in humans the audible range, okay, the audible range, okay, the audible range in humans. Okay, the audible range of humans is 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Okay, 20,000 hertz, this is the audible range in the humans. Okay, let's see some of the audible ranges frequency of some of animals. Okay, some of the animals, the audible range in the some of the animals is at first we have to know the dogs. Okay, in dogs the audible range in the dogs is 50 hertz. Okay, 50 hertz to the 45,000 hertz. Okay, this is the audible range in the dogs. Okay, the audible range in the dogs is 50 hertz to the 45,000 hertz. Okay, and then cat, let's see next. Cats, in cats the audible range is 45 hertz. Okay, 45 hertz to the 85,000. Okay, 85,000 hertz in cats. Okay, and then next bat. In bats the audible range is up to 1,20,000 hertz. Okay, up to 1,20,000 hertz. Okay, this is the audible range in bats. Okay, in dolphins, okay, next dolphins. In dolphins up to 2 lakh hertz, and in elephants 5 hertz to the 10,000 hertz. Okay, in elephants, what is the audible range in elephants? 5 hertz. Okay, 5 hertz to 10,000. Okay, 10,000 hertz. Okay, in elephants 5,000 hertz, 5 hertz to the 10,000 hertz. This is the audible range in the different animals. Okay, next we move on to the